Okay, so now we do question 4 paper 2 okay, 2022 So write this in partial fraction form Okay, this is 9 9, you know that it's 3 times 3 in these two. So straight away you know that this can be factorized How many marks are they? 2 marks only. This learn in A Max also, I mean O level A Max also have, right? I guess you no need to be, you need put in a lot of strenuous effort in. Okay, one trick is that you see these, you no need to do some manipulation. This is 3R, 3R. Straight away, you put the one bigger in front or smaller in front. You can. Bigger behind. Okay, now, here, in order to eliminate these 3R, what it have to be? It has to be 1, right? Wrong. Here is 1, this is minus 1. Correct or not? So somehow you don't need to panic. Then, if let's say this is 1, this is minus 1, what do we have here in the denominator? 3R minus 1 minus 3R minus 2. So you have what? What do you have? You need to divide in the denominator, so with what? If I have minus 1 here should have minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 2, plus 2 is minus 2. Okay? So what you get is that you get 1 over minus 3 times 3R plus 2 minus 1, 3R minus 1. However, which one is bigger? This is bigger, right? And this minus 3 seems very eyesore, so you just put in front. See, I didn't even do those very structured things like, let A and B, that kind of stuff, because it's very agonizing. If I have 2 terms, why not? And then they're the same coefficient, why I just do that. Okay, though these are tricks. Then you get 2 marks already. Easy P. What we need to do is that we need to look at this equation, 3R minus something. B, find the m to 3m of expression of this sigma. This is not very difficult. So what we have is 1 over 3 m 3m 3r minus 1 minus 3r plus 2. So you need to do the cancellation, cross cancellation. You put m first. Straight away, cancellation already. Don't go and be hero. If you cannot look at m, then you put m plus 1, but look very tedious, right? So you don't try to use m. You can use other things. For example, you can use the man you use m first. You sub in m. 3m plus 1, then your mental calculation or hard calculation got to be very good. Can you do that or not? Sometimes I will do that myself. Okay? Because it might not be so fast. So m plus 2.6加2 8. So on and so forth. So you look at this cancellation is diagonal. So straight away you know that this is the right term. Then the very last term will be at this bottom right. So this is 3m minus 1 minus of 3m, okay, plus 2. Don't forget 1 over 3. So the original term is 1 over 3, 3m minus 1 minus 3m plus 2. Okay, so we get how many marks are there? 4 marks. So easy. So answer is a single fraction in terms of a single fraction, the one you partial fraction. Okay lah, make a single fraction for him lor, or for her, wherever lah. So 3m minus 1, 3m plus 2. Okay, then you just need to do the cancellation on top. So it becomes 6m plus 3. So I look at this 6 with 3 I don't feel good so I just need to cancel it. So 2m plus 1 over 3m minus 1, 9m plus 2. So these are the answer. Then ask you to do what? Find the infinity, only 1 marks. Okay, find the infinity. Have here it is 3m is 3 times 1 minus 1, so it's 1 over 2, right? Of this, so limit m over m to infinity 2m plus 1 over what? 3m minus 1, 9m plus 2 So how do you do that? You divided every term, you divide by m. Okay, you are m in the denominator. Okay, but you also know that because this is for the limit they say that limit r to 1 to this infinity. So if limit, just now I make a mistake. They ask you to find starting from 1. Starting from 1, then it's not so complicated anymore. So when first term is 1 over 2 minus the last term 3, make it 3 out plus 2 over 1. So then you ask to find the out. You ask to find this thing, the limit when r to infinity. So when r to infinity, very simple, this term will go to 0, correct? The r bigger, the denominator also bigger, so it becomes 1 over 6. 1 marks no need to linger around. So 1 over 6, right, is the one. Finally, find the smallest value, okay, of n differ from this by less than 0.04. Okay this is not so difficult So so we know 1 over 3, 1 over 2 minus 3m or 3r 3n plus 2 minus 1 over 6 it had to be less than 0.04. That means you find n 0.04. You've solved this inequality so what would you have right here? You solve the inequality okay. So I have divided the plus and minus sign. This is bigger, this is smaller. So what you have here is that 1 over 3 times 3m plus 2 is less than 0.004. Okay. Then this is inequality. You need to change the sign when you upside down the thing So 3 times 3. So 3n plus 2 bigger than 0.012. Oh, something wrong Oh yeah, something wrong, because this is minus 1. I can be very careless 3 times 0.04. So your n have to be bigger than 3 over 0.004 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this is the n. Then you'll find the n. Oh, so easy.